Good morning, traders. Manny Cabrera here, co-founder of MDC Trading Academy, with today's pre-market forecast for Wednesday, May the 19th. We're also going to do a midweek review of what's going on in the markets. Let's jump to our news items for today. And of course, today's FOMC day, right after our 10:30 crude at 10:30. And then we have FOMC meetings. Now, remember how this day works. Typically, market tends to slow down during the time as is approaching this report. So keep your eyes open for that report. Today, let's quickly jump to our analysis as we begin with our 30,000 foot view with our daily chart. And as you can see, market cannot make it above the 20 SMA yesterday, closed well below it, and today obviously it's also opening below it and bouncing off the 50 SMA. As we've been saying in the last several days, our support resistance level, those are our true support and resistance levels between these two areas here. Obviously, ATR has picked up just a little bit because we've had these huge bars back and forth, but volume has been a little strange because we've had several down days, but the volume has been relatively low. So that's an interesting dichotomy there. So this is our true support and resistance area in this market thus far. Let's look a little bit further behind these numbers as we go to this time frame here. As we can see, market is completely trying to oscillate from this double top that it marked here. Remember now, this is the support area that we've been discussing for a long time, this area here of support. Right in the middle here, market has broken below it, uses as resistance, found support here at this price level here. Market is trying apparently to oscillate as it starts to kind of held support and resistance here for a while, breaks clearly below it. Clearly finding support here. The market can potentially move a little lower. Remember, this is no longer a run and retracement. This is more of a run and reversal. It's definitely more than a 61% retracement. What's going to happen? Can the market continue to hold here, or is it going to move lower? Let's look at our analysis chart a little bit closer. And as we can see, this is our intraday low of yesterday. So the market has clearly broken the intraday low, which was set yesterday, very late in the session. Market used it as support several times, but clearly broke through it, came back and used it as resistance twice. Nice double top coming off the intraday low. Market continues to move lower down this channel, and that's what we're expecting today. Anything within this channel, we're expecting just bounce off the resistance and continuations to the short side. Otherwise, we're looking at ultimately a break of this area here, finding support, and then potentially moving higher. But other than that, we're just looking for retracements to go short. This is currently our support level here. So what we have is this market continuing to move lower with a clear support level here. It's been breaking supports all throughout the session. Here's your broken support, 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 and here's potentially another support that's more than likely going to be broken today if we can get below the 50 SMA. And of course, any acceleration below this particular level here, we're expecting market to pick up a little bit more speed. So careful, like always, make sure you place your stops first. Make sure you wait for your confirmation before you pull the trigger. Let us know if you have any questions. Take care.